see by my PJs and being on my kitchen floor, I have another subscription box to unbox today. This time it is the Pusheen Box. This one is the fall 2018 box. They only send out about 4 years, so they're like packed with stuff. I just picked it up yesterday and I'm really excited to unbox it. But I did see a few spoilers on the Pusheen Box Instagram. Those spoilers, I wasn't really happy with it. From what I know about this box, I'm not going to enjoy it, but I really hope there's some things in there that surprise me, so let's get going. Oh, I love this box. It's so cute. He's all sleepy. Oh, okay. Just opening it. I see fuzzy things, and I see a very sleepy Pusheen, so that makes me happy. Okay, let's go. Okay, so first thing I see, the first thing that caught my attention is this big fuzzy guy. Let's see what he is. I think it might be like a house coat, because why would it have this like rope with it? Oh, that's really, oh, it is! It's a super fluffy house coat. And the design on here, the design is Pusheen with the balloons, which, like, my blanket that I'm sitting on, he has his balloons. It's just like a different style than this one. Oh, this is so cute. They're like giving us all the tools, just have a cozy house. I know there's a pillowcase in one, I have the slippers, I have the blanket. This is so cozy. This is so, that's cozy. I'm gonna wear it. This is my new unboxing outfit. Okay, now I'm properly dressed in my pajamas. Next thing I see, toothbrush and holder. So it is really going along with the theme of like bedtime, sleepover, that type of stuff. So it is a generic little toothbrush. It does have a cute color though, but this is really cute. It's the cover here, you can see it. And it opens up, bam! And there's a suction cup there. So you can just stick it on your bathroom mirror and have your toothbrushes hanging there all safe and not gross. So that was really cool. Aww. So here's our figure for this box. It's the Pusheen exclusive. Every box comes with a new vinyl figure. I have 2 right now. So this is the third. Aww. The third and my favorite so far. He's just chilling out. Look at him. That's so cute. Okay, so this one is one I saw online. I'm not too happy with it just because I have already a bunch of things like this and I have no use for it. It's a Pusheen stress ball, so it's quite squishy. This is probably one of the items I'm going to sell just because I have no use for it and it'd just be taking up space in my house. This is not an item. Would you keep it? He is a no for me. Okay, the next fuzzy thing I see is this guy. Ooh, oh, that's cute. So this is just a little hand towel, pink guy with sleepy Pusheen. I want to say this box is themed around just like bedtime and sleeping, but it very much feels like sleepover to me. This is exactly a towel you would bring for your nighttime routine. That and the toothbrush. Next up is a pink Pusheen bath lily. It's just pink all around here, and then there's a little Pusheen charm at the top. So that's really cute. Okay, this I'm really happy with. This is adorable. This is so cute. He's wearing a little house coat just like me. Look at him. He's all cozy up, ready for the spa. Oh, that is so cute. Me and him match. And the last item is another one I saw online that I'm not happy with. It's a Pusheen, what's it called? Like, it's a Pusheen like soap pump. Yeah, soap dispenser. So you just stick your soap in there and then you got your hand soap or shampoo or whatever which. Yeah, I just wouldn't use something like this. So this is something I would sell just as it takes up space, not as much use for me personally. So instead of ending on the sad note, here is our little card. He's so cute. I'm actually very surprised by this theme and by this box. All the other ones I've seen, it's like catered to that season. So say summer, it's all beach and summery and fun things. Winter, it'd be like, oh yeah, how to be cozy, here's a mug. It's very themed to that season. So I was expecting one with like leaves and autumn colors and like maybe a sweater or something. But oh, this is so cool. I was kind of wishing for like a sweater or something I could wear outside, but I'm just gonna wear this every day. This is I like this. This is cool. This is awesome. So my final thoughts about this box, it was definitely one of the better ones, just because I will be able to use most of the items in this box. I'll either use it or I really like it. There's usually 1 or 2 items in each box that I do end up selling on eBay just because it's not as good for my lifestyle. However, this, if I had the choice, I'd have just bought this box after knowing what was in it. I'm happy. I'm happy. If any of you guys also received the Pusheen box, tell me which box thus far has been your favorite. This is my 3rd box, I think this one's my favorite. There are some bits and pieces in the others I like, but this is definitely my favorite. Hope you guys enjoyed and have a great day.